You can easily fix the P0430 error code yourself by repairing the leaking exhaust pipes. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. If you are getting a P0430 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Method A. Paste the exhaust leaks. The exhaust pipes run along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the comer, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area or better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. Method B. Wrap up the exhaust leaks. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on them. Like this one, the seam will often rot-a-leak. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put into the water for about 40 to 50 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are 2 most practical solutions to fix P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.